Squeeze the day, unlocking the benefits of warm lemon water mornings. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Today, we're diving into a simple yet transformative morning ritual, starting your day with warm lemon water. Let's explore how this habit can significantly benefit your health and well-being. First off, hydration is key after hours of sleep. Warm lemon water provides the perfect start, rehydrating your body more effectively than cold water and kickstarting your metabolism. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerhouse nutrient. Drinking warm lemon water boosts your immune system, helping you fight off pesky colds and ensuring you stay healthy and vibrant. Detoxification is another remarkable advantage. Warm lemon water aids in flushing toxins out of your body. Its composition encourages the liver to produce more enzymes, enhancing your body's detoxifying abilities. Digestion greatly benefits from this morning ritual. The lemon's acidity works in tandem with your stomach's hydrochloric acid, helping to break down food more efficiently and relieving symptoms like bloating and indigestion. For those watching their weight, incorporating warm lemon water can be a game changer. It helps in weight management by promoting fullness and increasing metabolic rate, making it a perfect addition to your morning routine. The alkalizing effect of lemons is another plus. Despite their acidic nature, lemons become alkaline in the body, helping to balance your body's pH levels and reduce inflammation, which is linked to numerous health issues. Skin health sees a significant improvement too. The vitamin C in lemons aids in collagen production, ensuring your skin remains supple, clear, and glowing. Who doesn't want a natural glow to start the day? Additionally, warm lemon water can enhance your mood. The scent of lemon has been shown to reduce stress levels and improve mood, making it a calming and refreshing way to wake up. For those concerned with oral health, it's a double-edged sword. While it promotes fresh breath, the citric acid can erode tooth enamel. A simple fix is drinking it through a straw and rinsing your mouth afterward. Incorporating this habit is straightforward. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm, not boiling water. Drink it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, for maximum benefits. Lastly, while warm lemon water is beneficial for many, it's important to listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort or have health concerns, consult a healthcare professional. Embracing this morning ritual can lead to profound changes in your health and daily energy levels. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised by how much better you feel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.